News that's coming in at the moment, a big controversy. Halal-only railway menu has now sparked a big controversy. The rights panel is now saying there should be an investigation why only halal food is being served. It's the railway board chairperson who's now been given a notice by the NHRC. The NHRC is asking why only halal and not jhatka meat. This is an investigation which is now taking place why only halal meat is being served in the railways. The charges are that the halal meat, they hurt the Hindus and the Sikhs. Hindu meat sellers are being denied their livelihood. The panel is also saying that the railway must explain in the next 2 weeks. This is a big controversy which is now coming to the fore. The railway board chairperson, he's been given a notice by the NHRC. The National Human Rights Commission is now asking some questions. The NHRC is asking why only halal and why not jhatka meat. My colleague Amit Bharadwaj is now joining me on the story. Amit, this is a big controversy now. The railways has been dragged into it. In fact, the NHRC has also given out a notice to the railway board chairman.
Right, Aishwarya. The NHRC had received a complaint on the basis of which this notice has been issued to the chairman of the Railway Ministry. And why this is happening is that in this particular complaint, the complainant had claimed that the railway serves only halal processed meat as part of their non-vegetarian meal. And this has problem at two different levels. It has to do with discrimination as well as denial of food choices to people from different religious beliefs. So the complainant had claimed that because only halal processed meat is being served, the SC community, which is traditionally related with this particular meat trade, they are being denied their opportunity of earning, as well as Hindus and Sikhs are being denied their choice of food as per their religious belief. Upon receiving of this particular complaint, the NHRC, that is National Human Rights Commission, the bench headed by Priyank Kanungo, had issued a notice to the chairman of the Railway Ministry asking them to give a response in context to these allegations, as well as file an action taken report in this context within 2 weeks.